In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use layers in Stack. First, you'll need to log into your Stack account. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Stack login page. Once you're there, instead of typing in your username and password manually, we recommend using the Login with Google option. It's a convenient way to streamline your access, especially if you have multiple tools and accounts connected through Google. After logging in, you'll see a list of your projects. Click on the project you plan to work on. It's essential to ensure you're in the correct project to avoid any mix-ups or data discrepancies. So double check this step if you manage multiple projects. Next, you're going to look for the Plans and Takeoffs section. Clicking on this will take you to the detailed area where you can manage your plans and start integrating layers. Once you're in the Plans and Takeoffs section, you'll find a View button. Click on this to gain access to your current project view, where we can start working with layers. Once you have your project open, direct your attention to the Overlay icon. Clicking this will present you with a set of tools focused on overlay functions. These are particularly helpful for comparing revisions or alterations to your project plans. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on using the Overlay tool as a primary method for tracking changes. After you've opened the Overlay tool, your next step is to click on Add Overlay. This action allows you to select the specific plan or drawing you would like to add as an overlay. Browse through your options and click on the plan you want. Utilizing overlays can help highlight minute changes between different versions of your designs or plans, thus enhancing accuracy in your project management. Once you've selected your overlay, finalize your selection by clicking Close. This action will set up your bifocal view that lays one layer on top of the other. By arranging the layers through the overlay, you gain a composite view of different design stages or changes. To inspect these differences better, you can click and drag the overlay while holding the Control key to shift it around. This maneuverability empowers you to see precisely how layers align or diverge. Finally, we have a great tool at our disposal to make differentiation crystal clear. It's the Highlight Plan Differences button. This feature illuminates key differences between the layered plans, saving you time while ensuring no detail is overlooked in your design iterations. That's it! With these steps, you're now adept at creating and using layers in Stack, enhancing your ability to manage complex project designs or changes seamlessly.